guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. And my goodness, is this bright or what? Are you guys, is that okay? Sorry if the lighting's kind of weird. I feel like it's so bright, but maybe not. I don't know. We're gonna keep moving forward. Let me not start ranting. Okay, so I'm gonna take the typecast We Are Memory Keeper envelopes. These are like vellum, and I've already put some of these packages together. So I'm just gonna show you everything that is, basically this video is we're putting our Happy Mail together, and I am going to show you everything that that I'm putting in here. Let me get to, for some reason I feel like I was shorted one, but it's fine. I pretty much put all the other bags. You get 6 bags in this packet. 6 or 4? No, I'm lying. You get 4. So I ended up getting 2 packages, and this is the last one. All the packages are slightly similar. There's some that are like different colors, but it's still like the same concept. I am going to just kind of grab some of this white twine and prepare it so I could tie this. So I'm gonna trim there, move that aside, move this aside. Okay, so the first thing that I'm putting in here is going to be a combination of these flowers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They are the cutouts that are in the sticker section. And of course, these are not handmade, but I felt like the colors, I can't talk. The colors went with our pastel theme, so I picked up, each packet has 4 of these, and I did 6 packages, or 6 little Happy Mail envelopes that, like I said, I'm gonna be sending away. So each packet has 4 of these flowers. Again, some of them may vary, and I am gonna be adding these banners that we did. I'm going to be adding the tags that we did and the journaling cards that we did to this envelope. So let me show you. I decided to add a few blank journaling cards because I figured this is all building a stash. So for a minute, I did think that I should do the embellishments myself and then just kind of send them like put together as the Happy Mail. You know what I mean? Like put it together myself and send it as an embellishment. But I was like, no, this whole thing was build your stash. So I want to send this away with things that you could put together or use for different projects, and basically you make your own decorations with this stuff. So I've added a few blank ones, but I did add the ones that we created. And again, I divided all 6 packages as evenly as possible, so everybody should have received the same journaling cards, the same banners, the same tags, the same flowers, everything as evenly as possible. So the journaling cards are in here, the blank ones and these, and then the scriptured ones that I told you. I've also added 2 of these brown tags, and then a few of these different colored tags that you guys see that we created on video number 2, I think. So these I'm putting facing this way, facing outward, and then facing backwards. I am going to leave one of these on the outside, and these are gonna face back towards the back. And then I'm going to add a little banners, and I'm going to add just one small rosette that's plain. I had a few extras, so I'm gonna add it in there, and then I'm going to kind of tie this around. like so. Let's see. And then bring it back around. And then for these, I am putting a small piece of double-sided tape because I want the person to be able to remove it and use the decoration for a project. So just a very small amount. And I am putting the rose on the outside. So that's our first little package. The second package, which is not fancy at all, you guys, but I'm at the point where I need to get this off my table and I need to go ahead and send this off so that I could get it, just something else that I need to get off the to-do list. So the rest of this happy mail that I've put together is going to be on a Ziploc bag. And again, I apologize that it's not fancy, but it's like an easy, quick packaging, honestly, that I could just hurry and send. So this is a small happy mail, but I didn't need it to be bulky because I don't want to pay like a lot of money on the post office service. So my plan is to stick these two in those yellow like package envelopes and send them off because they're inexpensive and honestly easy solution. So I can't have like too much stuff. Basically, it's a small happy mail. So okay, each packet, what I'm adding here, I don't know if I told you guys that I added pieces of thread. I just wrapped them in these plastic containers, and of course whenever you're building embellishments, this is a small decorative piece that you could add to the background. So I added that. And then from Hobby Lobby, all the Paper Studio products were 50% off, and I bought these, which was perfect with this color theme that we're working. A ribbon, you get 6 pieces, obviously different pastel colors. And what I did, because obviously this is like a small gift, I didn't, like I said, want to break my wallet, is I cut it in 2 pieces. So this was one and this is one, and I divided that within the packages. So here, and like I said, not everybody's gonna not everybody's gonna get the same colors, but the concept is still the same. So this one just has the soft blue and the lavender, and then like that soft coral color. So in addition to that, I am going to add all the embellishments that we did do, which is the stickers, the flowers. Again, I divided this in 7 equal parts because I did keep one for myself, but I am going to be putting 6 packages together. So I put the tickets, the flowers, and then we're going to be adding the hearts that we sewed and the circles. All of these are pieces that we made, and I shared videos on how to do that. And then I shared with you guys the heritage stickers by Crate Paper, and these are almost like a wax. So I've divided that as well, and I'm going to add those here. But then off camera, I worked on these myself, and I wish that I placed an order for more wax seals and they haven't arrived, but I wish they would have, because I would have gone ahead and did some more. But these are handmade, and then these are the store-bought ones. So I'm gonna add that. And then our little ticket book, of course, that we also made. And then to sprinkle some fun into the bag, I have these little flowers. And let me show you, I got these from Hobby Lobby as well. They are from the Paper Studio brand. Again, everything was 50% off. And so I bought 2 types. I bought these ones, again, perfect for our little pastel pieces. So these ones, it doesn't say what the name is. It's just poppies and papery embellishments, and they're pink and yellow flowers. But I also got some white ones so that I could sprinkle in here, and I've divided that in every Ziploc bag, so there's like sprinkles in there basically. And you're wondering, like, what did you do with those, right? Well, let me show you. Here's my heart embellishment, and you see how I added those small touches of flowers here and here and here, and then that's honestly a completed embellishment in my opinion. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys want to do the same kind of idea or make your own, it's obviously up to you. But so I got that one. I got those flowers for that. That was the intention. I mean, you don't have to do it the same way. You could just do it, but I wanted to sprinkle some in there. And then the last thing that I am adding here is a roll of sentiments. And again, keeping in mind these little words, they're all pastel colors. And this is from the brand Pink Fresh phrase stickers. And this is Just a Lovely Note, again by Pink Fresh Studios. So you get 2 sheets. I cut them up in rolls of 3, so each Ziploc bag is gonna have one of these in case you decide to do the embellishment just like how I did it, or if you want to do something different. And then not that this mattered, I didn't show how I made these in on camera, but this is made out of hot glue, and I figured that they could be almost like a gem or like a little decorative piece. I only did 2 for each packet, so it's not much, but that is the last thing that I needed to add in here. So this is gonna be 1 small envelope. Here's the second one. Let me move them and see if you guys can see. And then third, fourth. See, I try to alternate different colors of flowers. This is 5. And then the final one is number 6. And so you're wondering, right? Because originally I said that I wanted to share this with crafty friends. Well, you guys, my subscribers, are my crafty friends. So I only have 6. So whoever are the first 6 people that comment on this video and that sincerely want these little pieces and decorative items for your embellishment so you could build your stash, please participate and comment on the video below. I hope that you would appreciate it, so please don't comment if you don't like this stuff. Because I like some of these, like, you know how long it took me to fussy cut the flowers and to make the tickets? Like, I put so much time into this, so I wanted to go to somebody that really appreciates this. So please, if you're not interested, then don't comment. The first 6 people that, you know, just say, hey, I would like a piece, and then after the 6 are up, or there's no more comments, then that's gonna be it. But no duplicate comments. You guys know my, like, the typical rules that I have. I'll assign you a number as I see your comment gets posted, so it's honestly first come first serve. So I hope that you love the idea of building your stash. I still have mine over here. I still have my little tray. As you can see, I kept some of this stuff as well. I wasn't gonna share the ribbon that Lila gave me, sorry you guys, but that's why I wanted to go pick you guys some from And I was just so lucky that I found these pastel colors. They were perfect for this project. And then again, I kept some of the tags that I made, some flowers, some of those sentiments, the tickets, all of that. So I kept some for myself so that I could work on my projects. Maybe I'll share, you know, if I make a scrapbook layout or whatnot, I'll share how I use these pieces. But anyways, I hope that you love the idea of building your stash. I hope that you guys want to participate in case you're interested. And I'll assign you guys numbers. Like I said, first come, first serve, and only 6, because that's all I can afford. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Good luck to you guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.